What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Bass Chico, smooth as ice, twice as nice, and I'm back with another video. I literally was just about to leave for work, bruh, and this video drops. We got Drake and Lil Yachty, Another Late Night by Bennett, bruh. You know it's gonna be fire, so make sure y'all drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Now, I don't know if this is on the album for all the dogs, because I haven't listened to the whole album. I only heard the song with J. Cole. That was hard. If y'all want me to react to the whole album, let me know in the comment section. I got y'all. Y'all enjoy reactions. Subscribe. Let's get it.
Christmas came early.
Oh, damn.
Hey, this little drizzy reppin' Creek. Hey, my brother Capo from the way from the street. Hey, wanna fuck with me, but baby, I'm discreet. Hey, thinking about this pill I took. Pillow talking. Shorty rinsing Dylan Brooks. Can't believe this nigga talking down. My bank account is mad.
Whoa! Did Dylan Brooks just catch a stray?
Hey, thinking about this pill I took. Pillow talking. Shorty rinsing Dylan Brooks. Can't believe this nigga talking down. My bank account is mad. Know your Millie rocking. Hey, widows in my comments talking about some Millie Bobby. Look, bring them jokes up to the game. We get to really flocking. I send a finger to your mama and some FedEx boxes. Open up.
Send a finger to your mama and some FedEx boxes is crazy. Got it! What did I do? Why my mama deserve that?
That shit is jaw dropping, really shocking. Ay, I ain't pretty flocko, bitch. This shit get really rocky.
Yeah.
Damn, what? Dirty how I did them in a way. Say, she ain't in Hollywood, this ain't LA. No way, she a pretty little lie.
Stop acting Hollywood, bitch. This ain't LA. Talk to them, Drizzy.
Long as she don't lie to me. She ain't in Hollywood, this ain't LA. No way, she a pretty little lie like she shake. But that's bae. Long as she don't lie to me, then it's okay. It's just another late night with my bitch. Ay. Just another late night with my bitch. And I hate to even call her as my bitch.
Yeah.
Cause I love that hoe, don't even make no sense.
That's crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But hey, girls be calling themselves that, and sometimes if you're in the, when y'all doing the do, they want you, they like when you call them, that. So shit, this for all the dogs.
Another late night with my dog. Just another late night with my bitch. And we riding around trying to make sense. Or whatever comes first comes next.
Yeah, Yachty, hold on, that dance, well, that little dance hard. That little dance he just hit crazy. Look at us.
Whatever comes first comes next.
That's the dance he was doing on stage when he did that at the Summer Smash or something. When he came on stage, that shit was so cold. Yeah.
It's the boat on proudly now from the 6. My dog, you lucky, ignorant, you from the bricks. Thinking about this star cup, really walking. Let her fucking want my ops to see who really poppin'. Demolition game pop out, yeah, we get it knocking. Moves the white bitch up and now she thinks she really poppin'. But my bitch new body, sadly, I got demoitis.
Yeah.
My bitch know it's us without opening either her eyelids.
Hey, my bitch know it's us without even opening her eyelids, bro. Look at this nigga Drake, happy as hell. This nigga cheesing, bro. Hey, the nigga Yachty really be having my nigga Drake. He said that's his best friend. He happy as hell, bro. What the fuck? Hold on, let's just.
Now she thinks she really poppin'. But my bitch new body, sadly, I got demoitis. My bitch know it's us without opening either her eyelids. This bitch so pure, don't even fucking tryna raise our mileage. You take G6s knowing you'll never take one with polish. I let her go, she fine as hell, but baby it wasn't stylish. She had big tits like Billie Eilish, but she couldn't sing.
What, nigga? Oh, cause now she's 18, huh? Niggas could just say whatever, huh, Yachty? Alright, I ain't gonna say nothing about that one.
Don't want no apologies, just kiss the ring. Yeah, ring. Ring. I support the odds before I support Steven Green.
Yeah.
We up in Turks with 20 bitches, just me and my team.
Yeah.
It's just another late night with my bitch.
With my bitch.
Just another late night with my bitch. And I hate to even call her as my bitch. Cause I love that hoe, don't even make no sense.
That's crazy. This nigga said I hate to call her my bitch cause I love that hoe. Like, bro, what? So you ain't got a problem with calling her your hoe, huh? I get what he was saying though. I'm just fucking around, bro. Is this a Lamborghini or a McLaren? I think that's a McLaren. Looking at the lights. Yeah, that's a McLaren. Gotta be a McLaren. Ready for Christmas. Trying to make sense or whatever comes first comes next. They snap. Drizzy Drake, Bennett, Lil Yachty. Right when the streets needed them, they appeared. Fuck is you talking about? Yes, sir. This one for the books, man. Them boys did their thing. Fire, fire, fire. First link in the description, y'all. I'm about to go to work. As soon as I get back, I get off at 7 in the morning. I'm going to hit y'all with some more reactions. As for now, check these out and the ones I posted earlier. It's your boy Bass Chico, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one, bro.